Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to use Paysafecard in Fortnite. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Fortnite account. So once you have opened the Fortnite account with the help of web browser or app, you will end up in this kind of interface. So now simply get logged in into your account and go to your account settings. So once you're in your account settings, you can find a menu bar in the left hand side of the corner. There you can find an option called payment management. Simply tap on the payment management section and you can view your payment methods. So once you can view your payment methods, you can find credit card, PayPal, or digital wallet. So simply select credit card, and once you have selected it, you can simply use your Paysafecard as a credit card by inputting its details into it. After you have done this, you will be able to use your Paysafecard on Fortnite. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.